project. So our main material is this plastic rings, the mineral water. Look here, this is pink color, and I take out from these empty bottles of mineral water. This is the one, so you have to remove this one like this. Okay, so this is it. Okay, and this mineral water is from Fonte Tavina Natural. This is a mineral water, a product of Italy, but it is exported. I mean, this is imported from Italy, and we purchased this from the Diner supermarket. And this is the mineral water. Look here, look here. So this is it. We are using this for our everyday drink here in Switzerland. And now we need these tools. This one, the primary tools we need is the pliers, the presser, and the long nose. And we need these plastic rings. We need this thread. This is for making a gift, for decorating a gift. You can buy this from the DM market from Switzerland, DM drogery market. And we need a little of this glue, and we need this brush, and we need this hook. I have here a golden hook because our thread is golden, so I'm using this golden hook. And I need this 2 pieces of this head pen. This is a ready-made head pen. And we need these rings, jump rings, 2 pieces. And I have here a beads. This is pink color, okay, to decorate my earrings. So now I'm going to start. We need half yard or half meter of this thread. This is a metallic thread with combination with maroon. Okay, so I need half yard or half meter for this. I'm going to cut out here, and this is it now. Look, so I'm going to start to make these earrings. This is the rings. Okay, so all you have to do is to adjust the shape first like this, and insert this thread, and keep 2 inches from the right side, and you have to tie around into the ring only once like this. Okay, look at here, make it like this. Okay, so change the position. This one put in your left side if you are right-handed, and this one you have to continue to wrap around, but this one you have to put on the top of the ring, because we will cover this one so that it will become more strong, because this is the beginning. So you have to continue to wrap around the rings by inserting the thread into the holes of the ring. Okay, so just hold it like this when you are wrapping around. Continue until you will finish the entire rings. Okay, so this is the one I have started. So presuming that you have already finished here at the end, so I have here this one. Look here, Now this one is the start. Continue wrapping until here by just inserting this into the holes like this and do it like this. Okay, so now when you finish until here, so it will look like this. Okay, it look like this. Okay, look at here. So in order that the end of this thread will not become like what is this, it will not open, so it will become solid. So just put a little bit of the glue, of the white glue, just put in your hand and just put a little bit of this like this, so that this will not separate and it will become strong. Then I will show you, this is now the last part of the ring. Continue to cover the ring. So now this is now the last part. So you are going to lock this one. Look at here, this one, from this portion, look at here, from this portion, this end of the thread, you have to insert it. Okay, so by the use of your presser or the pliers, just pull it up. Okay, like this one. So by using your pliers, you have to lock the thread so that it will become strong, and you have to adjust the thread. Then adjust it like this now by pressing. So look at here, now it's already done. Okay, so this one you have to cut by the knife, oh no, sorry, by the scissor. Okay, and put a little bit glue of this one, just put a little bit glue the end of this thread so that the thread will become strong, and press it by your hand to press it. Okay, so this is already our ring. Look at here. So I'm going to attach this one with the hook. First I'm going to insert the beads into the, this is the head pin. All you have to do is to cut this one, cut this head pin in the tip, remove this one, and you have to bend a loops, make a loops, just bend it a little bit. Okay, like this, right here, because this one, it will serve as the stopper of the beads. You see, the beads have holes. Okay, so when you bring the beads here, it will stop from this portion. Okay, right here. So this is the purpose why I make a loops. This one is a loops, so it holds here. Okay, and from this portion we have also to make another loops, and so that we will connect the hook of the earrings. Okay, so I'm going to measure the length of our earrings. So I want to cut a little bit And again, I have to make a loops for this. Okay, look at here. So it's like this. Look at here, look at carefully here. So I will attach one ring from here, okay? So we have a ring here. Okay, then have to close the ring. Okay. And this ring, I'm going to open this one. Look at here. I open the ring and I'm going to insert this plastic base of our earring, this one. Look at here. Then I'm going to put the hook on it. Look at here, this is the hook. I'm going to connect into the ring. And now I'm going to close the ring. Oh, sorry. So our project is already done. Look at here. So we have already our instant earring. So this is now our finished project, okay? And the other one is this one. Okay? So this is now the transformation of the rings from the mineral water. Okay? Now I'm going to display it here so that you can see our finished project. So this is not the one. So this is now our finished project. A transformation of the rings from the mineral water. So this is the rings that we are using, and this is now the finished product. Thank you for watching, and I hope you learned from this tutorial on how to recycle and to create a unique project out from recycled materials. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and please give a thumbs up and share this video to your friends. And thank you very much to everyone who supported my channel, that I have already achieved the 1,000 subscriber. Thank you for all my subscribers who supported, that make my channel grow, that make me achieve for these 1,000 subscribers as a requirements from the YouTube. And I'd like also to say thank you to the YouTube company for granting my YouTube channel so that I can share my ideas and my skills and my talent to other people. That's all, and thank you for everyone. Happy viewing once again. Thank you to all my subscribers. And see you again in my next tutorial. Dankeschön at maraming salamat sa lahat na nanonood ng aking YouTube channel, SGN Creations and Tutorial. Ciao! Auf Wiedersehen!